Hello bachcho, let's read this question. The question says in each of the following questions a statement of assertion is given followed by the corresponding statement of reason. Of the statements mark the correct answer as options are A if both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B says if both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C says if A is true but R is false and option D says if A is false but R is true. सो इस क्वेश्चन में हमें असर्शन एंड रीजन की दो स्टेटमेंट्स दी गई है एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू विच वी नीड टू सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। तो असर्शन की स्टेटमेंट है हीलियम इज अ पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम एंड रीजन की स्टेटमेंट है इट इज हेल्पफुल इन कलेक्शन ऑफ यूरिन। सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन आवर की कंसेप्ट विल बी द ह्यूमन excretory system or the organs which are present in the human excretory system. The organs which are enlisted in the human excretory system are given below: a pair of kidney, a urinary bladder, a urethra, and a pair of ureters. A kidney is basically a bean-shaped structure used in the or function in the excretion of the waste materials, and the excretory unit is nephrons. In the kidney, the inner area the inner area is concave in nature, like a concave structure is present, and on this concave structure a point is present from where the blood vessels along with the nerves and the ureter, which are present in pair, enters the kidney. This point in the kidney is said to be hilum. Now let's read the statements again. Assertion की statement हमें दी गई है that hilum is a part of human excretory system. ये हमारी statement correct है. Reason की statement हमें दी गई है that it is helpful in the collection of urine. ये statement हमारी wrong हो जाएगी because for the collection of urine a different organ present in the excretory system is involved, which is known as urinary bladder. So for this question, the final answer is option C, which says that assertion is true but reason is false. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.